Once upon a time, Ed, an amoeba-like prokaryote, ate a bacterium by the name of Mark. Mark was special because he was an aerobic bacteria who could use oxygen for nutrients. When Ed engulfed Mark, over time they formed a symbiotic relationship. Ed protected Mark, and Mark in turn granted Ed the power of cellular respiration, and Mark became Mark the mitochondria. Ed was still hungry, though, so he ate another bacterium named Charles. Charles was special because he could photosynthesize. When Ed engulfed Charles, over time, they too formed a symbiotic relationship. As more time passed, Charles granted Ed the power of photosynthesis, and Charles became Charles the chloroplast. Time went on, and Ed felt himself changing. Ed, Charles, and Mark were evolving. They used to be 3 separate prokaryotes, but they joined forces and became a eukaryotic cell. This is the theory of endosymbiosis. Endo meaning within, symbiosis meaning living together, as supported with microbiological evidence from Lynn Margulis in 1967. Now, Darwin's theory of evolution and Mendel's laws of inheritance were popular during Margulis's time, but there was something that didn't quite check out. When she looked at her new and improved eukaryotic Ed, she found DNA outside of the nucleus. Where? In Charles the chloroplast and Mark the mitochondria. She also noted that chloroplasts reproduce by splitting in 2. Mitochondria reproduce by splitting in 2. Bacteria reproduce by splitting in 2. What if chloroplasts and mitochondria used to be bacteria too? After further research, more commonalities were discovered. Chloroplasts, mitochondria, and prokaryotes all have a double membrane, circular DNA, reproduce via binary fission, and have their own ribosomes that synthesize proteins. Endosymbiosis shows that scientific ideas evolve through research and discovery of new evidence. The beauty of science.